Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a car in Roblox Studio. Now, quick one guys, obviously you have to open up a place. Now this is place number 2. I can go ahead and close this tab. We shall prefer place number 1, which is the best plate. This one over here, not the classic. Now, after opening up this best plate, we shall then go ahead and start making our car in Roblox. Okay, so this is the base plate. Now to go ahead and do that, just click on model. Now once you click on model, go ahead and add a new part. Now I prefer adding the new part somewhere else, maybe close to that. Now click on part, click on a new part. A new part has been added. Now this will be our car. We shall put it over here. Now this is basically like the body of the car. Okay. All right, so we can go ahead and make some adjustments. After that, come back to the model. Now over here guys, you can go ahead and add some colors of our car. Now by default the color is white. I prefer red. Right, so we shall leave it there. And then after that guys, you can also try to rotate around and see how possible you want this car to look. Now this is how it looks like, but if you want, you can also add the tires and all other stuff. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet.